Madeline? Maddie? Do you want to do your animals? Okay. What does a cow say?
Moo.
What does a horsey say? What does a duck say?
Quack.
What does a chicken say?
Baba.
What does a lion say?
Roar.
Rawr. What does a chicken say?
Baba.
What does an elephant say?
Mm.
What does a monkey say? What does he say? What does a monkey say? Is that what a monkey does?
Huh?
It is a little hot. Maddie. Hey, pretty shiny things. Maddie, what does a monkey say?
Kind.
Are you going to count? How many is that?
Nah.
It's not 9. 1.
Nah.
It's not 9.